Stop by and take a look at the 2018 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, premium sound system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.